Assalamualaikum. This video is on Microsoft Clipchamp. It's very easy to download it from internet, and I have an app already downloaded. I just click on search and right here Microsoft Clipchamp, so it comes right away. And I click on this and it opens. Then I add the video from import media and select the file that is on my laptop. Any video that is already there, I will open it and drag it here in the timeline to start editing. Let me first tell you what features it has. We can record and create a new video with this software. We have a content library for more videos and music. We have templates. We have text adding option, transitions to be added in between the scenes. We can edit the audio and we can fade in and fade out the audio. We can add filters and effects and adjust colors and speed. So first of all, I will drag the video of my choice that I will edit. Drag it here in the timeline. Another video I've added. So I will combine both these videos. I can also zoom in the timeline if I want a more closer look of these. So let me first tell you how we remove the unnecessary segments of a video. Let's say I'm watching this video and I see that, okay, at this second starting from second 20 to 25 is unnecessary segment. So what I'll do is drag the pointer here when the 20 second starts, and then click on this split. Now, if I want to split till 25 second, this 5 second was unnecessary. I will remove it like this. Again, click on split. This unnecessary part will be separated from the rest of the video. Now click on this, and if it's not, because it's so small, I'm not able to click it. I am zooming in the timeline. Now I'm able to pick it and press the button delete, and it's deleted. Now delete the gap in between. Okay, so this is how we remove the unnecessary segments of the video. Now coming to the rest other features. And I can add some music here from the content library. Click on this music. So I'm selecting this one. Add to my timeline. I will drag it here so that it starts from the start of the video and adjust its length according to the length of the video. Now let's see how this looks like. So now you can see the video has some background music now. I can adjust the volume of the music from here. This audio is selected already. I can lower its volume. Now I want to add some text to introduce the video. I will click on this text and select any text style. Let's select this one. Click on this plus. It's added to my timeline. I am dragging it so it now appears in the start of the video. With double click, you will be able to. So my video is on nature. I can change the color or the size or the style here also. So this is how we add text. Now, this is another feature of transition. If my some scene is changing in the video, I can add some transition in between the scenes. Like this one, click on this transition and drag it in between any two scenes. Now let's see how this looks like. You can change this transition. Also, there's an option of zoom in, zoom out. Let's see how this looks like. For zoom in with a very short duration, I can increase the duration by on the right side, you can see duration. It can be increased. So now this transition was more prominent. Now let's see what other features we have. Here you can see fade, filters, effects, adjust colors and speed. I want my music to be lighter in the start and more louder later. I can split it into different parts and adjust the volume. And I can also fade in and fade out the music. Now I'm going to adjust the volume first. This audio is selected already. I am reducing the volume to minimum. Now the next segment, keeping the volume a little higher than the previous one. Initially it was 12, then 15. Then in the third segment, it can be 19, okay? And in the last, it can be 25. 23 is okay. Then I can also use the fade feature. For example, I want the music to fade out when the video ends. So I will shift this to the right side, fade out. Also, I can adjust the speed of the music. In the last segment, I'm increasing the speed. And also I can adjust the speed of these scenes. Let's see how I can do that. Click on this segment, double click on the speed, and now increase the speed and see what happens. Now the water is a little as it was before. And the video will quickly finish. Now coming to the filters and effects, which is the last thing. If I want to add any effects, I will select this video part, click on this effects, and you can see there's so many kind of effects. I can also crop this scene. Sometimes you need to remove the edges, so you can click on this crop. And here I have cropped this scene. Now, if I don't want these black margins, I can select the blur fill. Now you can adjust the other effects, maybe add something artistic features. You can zoom in also, like slow zoom. If I select the slow zoom, you will see the scene keeps zooming in like this. Also, if you want a more quick zooming in feature, you can select this crash zoom. Let's see how this works. Lastly, it's the filters where you can adjust the colors and contrasts. You can add the filters of fall, winter. So there are different filters effects which you can add to your video. This one. Now, in the end, I'm going to export the video. I can use maybe 720 pixel quality and name your video nature. It takes a few minutes or seconds. Now this is saved in my laptop. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.